Hello friends, welcome to TH channel. Today we are taking 15th series. We are taking today 15th series. How the 15th series is formed? So far I have taken the past perfect tense. On the basis of past perfect tense, I have been taken some question answers, how they are asked in the competitive examinations like Group 1, Group 2, PSC, Engineers, SI, Constable, Banking, Railways and other competitive examinations. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के ऊपर मैं 15वीं सीरीज ले रहा हूँ। इस पे आधारित किस तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं एमपीपीएससी में, ग्रुप 1, ग्रुप 2, इंजिनियर्स, एसआई, कॉन्स्टेबल, बँकिंग, रेल्वे अशा प्रकारे हे तुम्हाला एक्झामिनेशनमध्ये विचारतात. पहिलं मी पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स कंप्लीट केल्यानंतर सीरीज घेऊ लागलो आहे. First of all, I have taken the tense. After that, the question answers. Now, let us see how they are asking the questions. Now, first see. Good natured people dash dash supported Gandhiji in independent movement. Good natured people, good natured people. Here the good natured people, here it is a third form, it is a third form, that is why are will not come, was doesn't come, where also does not come. That is why when you add the past perfect tense, that had should be there, that is D your answer, had is your answer. Now take the next one. Foreigners had ruled India dash August 14, 1947. Foreigners had ruled, it is a third form, India. Up to आता की, आउन आता की, इन आता की, until आता. Foreigners had ruled India up to, it is a up to, up to, that is A is your answer friends. Now take the third one. Patient had died dash the doctor came. Here what we are taking here, it is a past perfect tense. Now combine it together, past simple tense, it is a second form. That is why what is your answer? Aun आता की, before आता की, up to आता की, unless आता. So I have told earlier that the past perfect tense and past simple tense we add, we combine with the after नहीं तो before, ये मिलाकर आपको लिखना चाहिए. तो अपना आंसर यहाँ पर क्या है फिर? बिफोर, बी इज योर आंसर. नाउ टेक द फोर्थ वन. Once Gandhiji had seen a snake dash passing dash the hole in ashram. What is your answer फिर? क्या आना चाहिए? Once Gandhiji had seen, past perfect tense है ये, snake dash passing dash the hole in ashram. ये before आता की, after आता की, through आता की, even आता. So here your answer is C, through, THROUGHT. C is your answer. Now friends, take the fifth question. Indian army had moved dash, Indian army had moved dash to attack on enemies. यहाँ पर क्या आता? इंडियन आर्मी हैड मूव्ड, इनसाइड आता की, आउटसाइड आता की, फॉरवर्ड आता की, बैकवर्ड आता. Here your answer is मूड फॉरवर्ड सामने जाना, मुंगट पोवडम पुढे जाणे. इंडियन आर्मी काय केली? पुढे गेली. मूव फॉरवर्ड, फॉरवर्ड येते इथं आन्सर तुमचं. तर आन्सर काय आहे मग? सी इज युअर आन्सर, फॉरवर्ड. नाउ टेक द सिक्स्थ वन क्वेश्चन. What is the sixth one question? See here. Dash Ratan Tata had started business, he got profit. What is your answer? As far as, jab tak, as long as soon as high as. क्या आता फिर यहाँ पर? So here Ratan as soon as, यहाँ पर answer, what is your answer? As soon as. C is your answer, friends. As soon as Ratan Tata started business, he got profit. Now seventh one. Colonel Santosh Babu had, it is a past perfect tense. Colonel Santosh Babu had fought and injured many soldiers dash China. What is your answer? फिर यहाँ पर क्या आता आंसर? इन आता की, अप टू आता की, ऑफ आता की, ओ डबल एफ ऑफ आता. Colonel Santosh Babu had fought and injured many soldiers of, C is your answer. C is your of China, soldiers of China. Now see eighth one. What is the eighth one? India had planned to think globally and act dash environment. यहाँ पर टू आता की, ऑन आता की, ऑनवर्ड्स आता की, टूवर्ड्स आता. India had planned to think globally and act locally towards. यहाँ पर towards, D is your answer. Towards, D is your answer. Now friends, take ninth one. India had celebrated 75th dash आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव सेलिब्रेशंस. आजादी का महोत्सव सेलिब्रेशन. कौन सा सेलिब्रेशन है? 70वां है कि 75वां है कि 73वां है कि 71वां है? इंडिया हैड सेलिब्रेटेड 75th आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव सेलिब्रेशन. हियर 17th 5 आन्सर. आता 75वा आपण आजादी का महोत्सव साजरा केलेलो आहोत. 75वा ఆజాదీ కా మహోత్సవం మనము సెలబ్రేట్ చేశాము. 10th one. तेलंगाना had planted trees. तेलंगाना क्या करी? planted trees करी dash order to preserve our natural wealth. What is your answer? Telangana had planted trees dash order to preserve our natural wealth. To आता, on आता, at आता कि in आता? In order to, in आता यहाँ पर आंसर. I have told you idioms and phrases. In order to, you come in order to pass in the examination like this question answers. Now friends, take 11th one. What is the 11th one here? See, minister had lost his ministry dash his poor performance. यहाँ पर बिकॉज आता कि बिसाइड आता, ड्यू टू आता कि ऑन टू आता. मिनिस्टर हैड लॉस्ट हिज मिनिस्ट्री, यहाँ पर सी इज योर आंसर, ड्यू टू हिज पुअर परफॉर्मेंस. नाउ 12th one. Foreign scholars had come to India dash search of research. यहाँ पर एट आता, इन आता, आउन आता कि बाय आता. Foreign scholars had come to India in in research of इन सर्च ऑफ रिसर्च. रिसर्च करने के लिए. इन सर्च ऑफ, ये फ्रेज है. इन सर्च ऑफ. इन, दैट इज बी इज योर आंसर. नाउ 13th वन. ड्राइवर्स हैड ड्राइवन बसेस. ड्राइवर्स क्या करे? बसेस ड्राइवन करे. डैश स्टूडेंट्स ब्रोक ग्लासेस. यहाँ पर व्हाट इज योर आंसर? वेर आता, हाऊ आता की व्हा आफ्टर येते की हू येते? कोणतं येते याच्यामध्ये? దీని నుంచి ఏది వస్తుంది? డ్రైవర్స్ హ్యాడ్ డ్రైవన్ బసెస్ ఆఫ్టర్, మళ్ళా స్టూడెంట్స్ బ్రోక్ గ్లాస్. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసినాం మనం? పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్లో హ్యాడ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత థర్డ్ ఫామ్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్టర్ తర్వాత ఏఎఫ్టిఈఆర్, ఆఫ్టర్ తర్వాత ఇది సెకండ్ ఫామ్ వచ్చింది పాస్ట్ సింపుల్ టెన్స్. కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ మనది ఆఫ్టర్ వస్తుంది. ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर हैड फ्लोड, थर्ड फॉर्म है. ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर हैड फ्लोड कहां पर? डैश एंड वाइड. एफ आर फॉर ऑन ऑफ. कौन सा आता है यहाँ पर आंसर? यहाँ पर फार एंड वाइड. एफ ए आर इज योर आंसर. एफ ए आर फार एंड वाइड. ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर हैड फ्लोड far and wide. Next 15th one. India had lost its match. India has lost its match dash South Africa. यहाँ पर अगेन आता कि, अगेंस्ट आता कि, अपोज आता कि, गेन्स आता. यहाँ पर there is a minute difference is there. India had lost its match against. Here your answer B is your answer. Now watching cell phone had become part and parcel dash life. చూడండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ మీకు కాంపిटेटिव्ह एग्जाम्सలో गॅरंटी अडगुतारू. కాబట్టి बी केअरफुल. कारण ती ना बघा तुम्ही तुमच्या MPPSC मध्ये, महाराष्ट्रामध्ये, तेलंगणामध्ये, आंध्र प्रदेशमध्ये कंपल्सरी विचारतात. त्यासाठी వాచింగ్ సెల్ ఫోన్ హ్యాడ్ బికమ్ పార్ట్ అండ్ పార్సల్. పార్ట్ అండ్ పార్సల్. ఇన్ అయితే కి ఎట్ అయితే కి టూ అయితే ఏది వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? ఆఫ్ వస్తుంది. ఓఎఫ్, ఆఫ్ लाईफ. जीवनाचं हे पार्ट अँड पार्सल आहे. सो फ्रेंड्स, विथ दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 15th series. That is why what should you do? Subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it, so that I can get more and more classes. Thanks friends.